initial project was called the jewel. The soul of green. The biggest challenge developing this color was to be close to black and at the same time keeping the soul of green. To create a color in ceramic, it's not like a print job or screen colors. We have three levels of information, and one of those is light. And the goal was having a very nice and jewelry effect with light, because the product will be used outside. We have a glass cover layer on the dome, and because of natural light and the texture we have on the dome, we have some reflections, the light reflections, and you can see in the dark color the deep green, so the magic is happening at that moment. We change our way of working, and that's the first illustration, is adding a new color, a new aspect of beginning, our knowledge, and our new vision for the future. The jewel was the dynamic of the project. So when we define the color and we test the color with natural light, we were very close to some gemstones, and we look for other words to express the gemstones. And finally, one of the words was the onyx.